That brings us to the minigame.
Woo!
Yay. This is a little minigame we like to call Name That Bird. Simple rules. I'm going to show a bird. You tell me what that bird is.
Calm down.
Brennan, calm down. This is your cup of tea.
Carolyn, we'll start with you. Your bird is?
Pigeon. Rock
Very good,
pigeon.
Carolyn. That is 1 point for you, bringing Carolyn to 11. Katie, your bird is?
Flamingo.
That is correct, Katie. Bravo. That is an additional point for Katie, bringing Katie to 4. Brennan, your bird is?
Pheasant.
Sorry, Brennan.
Guinea fowl.
Sorry. I was looking for Siamese fireback. Carolyn, your next bird.
Peacock.
That is correct. That's a point for Carolyn, bringing Carolyn to 12. Tearing into the lead. Katie, your bird is?
Oh no. Is that a chicken?
That is a chicken. Bravo, Katie. On Brennan's heels.
Calm down, calm down.
Brennan, your bird is?
Oh, I know this one.
Marabou.
Sorry, Brennan. I was looking for roseate spoonbill. The roseate spoonbill.
Carolyn, did you know that was a roseate spoonbill?
I knew it was a spoonbill.
No points for Brennan that particular round. This last round is worth a full 5 points. 5 points on the line. Carolyn, your bird is?
Penguin.
That is correct, Carolyn. 5 points for
Sorry,
Carolyn.
just penguin? Just penguin?
Katie, your bird is?
That's a chicken again.
Rooster chicken.
You know what? I'll take it. That is, in fact, a chicken.
Take it.
And
that's
a
for you,
rooster
Katie.
is a type of chicken, and so that works. Brennan,
Calm down.
worth 5 points. Your bird is?
Pretty happy with yourself, huh? This is not a real bird.
This is the greater sage grouse. The greater sage grouse.
I remember that.